Today we're going to be looking at the greatest common factor. The greatest common factor is often abbreviated as the GCF. When we're asked to find the GCF of 12 and 60, we break it down into its factors. 12 equals 3 times 4. 60 equals 3 times 4 times 5. To find the GCF, we take the power of each common factor. In this case, it's 3 and 4. So 3 times 4 is 12, so our GCF is 12. Another example is to find the GCF of 10 and 50. Well, 10 equals 2 times 5, and 50 is 2 times 5 times 5. To find the GCF, again, we take the power of each common factor. In this case, it's 2 and 5. 2 times 5 is 10, so our GCF is 10. Finding the GCF of 4x cubed, y squared, and 12x squared, y to the 7th. Well, if we write out what 4x cubed and y squared means, it's 4 times x times x times x times y times y. Doing the same thing with 12x squared y to the 7th, we find that it's 3 times 4 times x times x times y times y times y times y times y times y times y, because that's y to the 7th. To find the GCF, we take the power of each common factor again. So we find that the number is 4, and we have that down here. X times x for x squared, and y times y for y squared. So the GCF of this problem is 4x squared, y squared. Factoring out the GCF is a little different, but we certainly can do it. We're looking at 25n to the 4th and 15n cubed. The common factor for 25 and 15 is 5. The lowest power of the variable is what you always use. In this case, it is n cubed. Factoring that out, we think of what times that will give me 25n to the 4th. So 5 times 5 will give me my 25, and n cubed times n will give me my n to the 4th. We do the same thing for 15n cubed. What times 5n cubed will give me 15n cubed? And of course the answer is 3. So it's 5n cubed times the quantity 5n plus 3. Looking at another problem, 7x to the 5th minus 21x to the 4th. Well, the common number with 7 and 21 is 7. The lowest power of our variable is here at x to the 4th, so that is our GCF. Factoring that out of 7x to the 5th, once again, we think of what times this will give me my 7x to the 5th, and it is x. Then we ask the same thing, what times this will give me a negative 21x to the 4th, and that is a negative 3. So we have 7x to the 4th times the quantity x minus 3.